Welcome, Lucha Leaders, to another math video. Today's question, which number goes in the box to make this number sentence true? Now, you mathematicians have to look for clues. As always, when we see an equal sign, that means that each side has to equal the same number. So the first clue that we have is that both sides have to equal 16. So I have to figure out 16 equals 4 plus what? And we see that box, that empty box, it always stands for the word what. So 16 equals 4 plus what? I can do some reverse addition here because I see an addition sign. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I can do this problem in a number of ways. I can say 16 minus 4 equals what? And I know then that the what equals 12. Or I can say 16 equals 4 plus what? I can count on from 4 all the way up to 16. And if I count up from 4, I get 12. I have to count 12 to get up to 16. So the what in this case is 12. Let's take a look when the what is with a multiplication problem. So we say what times 6 equals 42. So I have to do the reverse. I'm not going to roll my 6's 42 times. I'm going to roll my 6 until I hear 42. So I roll my 6 until I hear 42. Here's what I get. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and the spider says 42. So I've counted up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 6 equals 42. Now let's look at an even more complicated problem. So as I know, when I see a lot of these operation signs, I have to solve those first before I can get to solving what's in my question mark box. So let's read it. 7 times 3 equals 5 times 4 plus what? Okay, I know that 7 times 3, I'm going to roll my numbers. 7, 14, 21 equals 5 times 4. 5 to 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Now I can figure out what's in this box. 21 equals 20 plus what? Well, if I count on from 20 all the way to 21, I get the answer, and the answer is 1. Let's see another sample problem of this complicated equation. So here's my what. What plus 3 times 3 equals 5 times 2. So before I can move on, I have to solve these operation signs. 3 times 3, 3, 6, 9. 5 times 2, 5, 10. Now I have something I can work with. What plus 9 equals 10? Well, because I'm so good with addition and subtraction, I know that 1 plus 9 equals 10. So the mystery number is 1. As always, though, the problems get even more complicated. Now I have the what in the middle of my parentheses. So let's see if I can get enough clues to solve this problem. Okay, I have an operation here that I can solve. 3 times 9. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We're all going to college. 27. 3 times 9 equals 27. Okay. Let's see. 4 times what plus 7 equals 27. Well, if I can look at this parentheses as a big what, that's going to help me out. So what plus 7 equals 27? Well, if I count from 7 on to 27, I get 20. So this big what equals 20. Now I can go back to my parentheses here. 4 times what equals 20? I know we need to break that down a little bit, but here I have enough clues. So now all I need to do is roll my 4's until I hear the number 20. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. So 5 is in my magic number box. Let's see another problem just like that. Here again we have the question mark box in the middle of our parentheses. So we need to find enough clues to see if we can solve what's in the parentheses. Here's my operation, 8 times 2. When I roll my 8s, 8, 16. 16 equals 3 times what? Plus 10. All right. Well, if I can look at this big parentheses with the what inside of it as a big what, I can rewrite it. 16 equals what plus 10. That's a little more manageable and a little easier. So I can count on from 10 until I get to 16. And then I know that my what equals 6. So I can say 6 equals, and I look back to my original parentheses here, 3 times what? And when I roll my 3's until I hear the number 6, I can say 3, 6, and that means that 3 times 2 equals 6. Those are just a few examples, and I know that it gets complicated sometimes, so be sure to rewatch this video as many times as you need to and ask for help. Good luck!